Today we have inaugurated our annual sports meet, which is scheduled to take place for a 4 days. So we'll have many events around 13 to 14 events are there for men and 8 to 9 events for women. So we'll be having cricket team for women also, and now we will be starting with the athletics event. So this is as a part of our annual sports meet for all the employees of Secretariat who have gathered in large numbers, and for the welfare of these Secretariat employees, government is kind enough to give us permission, also grant us sanctions for conducting these sports, and we are very much thankful to the government. And we in fact appeal to the government one thing, that previously government has given orders for 2% of enhancement of sports quota to sports people, but the thing is that it has not been implemented so far, even after a lapse of 1 year also. So at least this year we expect that the 2% quota, sports quota, will be renewed and will be taken up very as early as possible. We have a total of five teams. The names are the ABC blocks. We have a block-wise teams in the Secretariat. So we classify them into ABC, one team, then D block, then J and L, and assembly team. So all the people working in these blocks represent their respective blocks actually. So we have a 4 days program. So today we start with athletics, and then tomorrow we have a series of events. So throw ball for women, chess, caroms, cricket. It goes on like this, and we completely finish up this all 13 to 8 events in 4 days program. So government has also granted us permission to all the employees to take part in large numbers, and this is a welfare measure. We expect that these similar measures can be extended to all the sports person like this.